Have you ever wondered what a front-end developer actually does all day? Do they just type random code? Imagine opening Amazon or YouTube. Everything you see, the buttons, videos, search bar, and menus, that is the front end. A front-end developer builds everything you see and click using three main tools: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Think of building a house. HTML builds the house, CSS paints it, JavaScript makes the lights turn on. Otherwise, you would just have a very expensive box. They make buttons clickable, menus slide, images load, animations move. Basically, they make websites feel alive. They also make sure websites look good on phones, tablets, and computers. Without front-end developers, websites would probably look like boring Word documents. So if you enjoy making beautiful websites, front-end development might be the perfect career for you. So follow for more simple tech explained.